Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the Flannel channel. I'm Philip. I'm glad you're here. I just left a really great car show. It's the GTSA Rod and Custom Show up in Shakopee, Minnesota. And yeah, just leaving the venue. Amazing time. Did a bunch of content with Peace and Grease podcast. So go check out that channel because we're having a great time over there. But I saw this beauty parked just across the street. And I thought, you know, how often do I get a chance to check out a rig this cool? It's a private carrier, and yeah, I just want to take a look at it, bring you guys along. Let's check out this beauty. Like I like to say in a lot of my videos, I'm not gonna give you a whole lot of, you know, my commentary on it. I just think it's cool, and I want to bring you guys along to just check it out. So Hey, well, there you go. I would love to be able to open the doors and, you know, crawl around inside and learn more about it, but I want to be respectful of somebody else's property. It's not mine to open up and crawl around in. So, yeah, but we learned something together, and I appreciate you guys coming along with me as we check out a cool old truck. So, if this is the kind of content you like, then you know what to do. Thanks for supporting the channel, everybody. I'll see you next week. See you guys.